Hi everyone, Devo Bore this deal. During this COVID time, many people are asking if herd immunity is possible. Herd immunity means the immunity will develop in all the people, and as a community, it will further develop in all. But doctors are answering to this question saying herd immunity is possible only if minimum 60% of the population gets the vaccinations. But now only 6% of the state's population has been vaccinated. So at the moment the herd immunity is not possible in Goa. On the one hand, the people between 18 to 45 age bracket is yet to get vaccinated completely. Although few people are waiting for the jabs to arrive, many people are still skeptical about taking those injections. However, we are expecting more people in this age group are expected to be covered with the vaccination, as the government has begun the 10-day Tika Utsav to cover the villages in the municipal areas starting from Wednesday. For the question if Goa has crossed the peak of the second wave of COVID-19 or not, we can say yes, the second wave of COVID-19 have started dipping, but it's not considerably down. It should come down to 200 whereas it is now 1400 to 1500 now. On 7th of May, it was a real peak with 4,199. With 4,000, it was on May 7th that it reached the highest peak with 4,195 cases. And now the positivity is maintained at 32% among the tested people. We all know that from this month onwards, the taxis are on meters now and people are charged according to the meters. But there is a demand from the taxi drivers to increase the taxi fares, which is a request set before the government by the local taxi owners association. So the transport minister Marvin Gardino indicated that state is likely to increase the taxi fares. He said that the state transport authority will be giving its recommendation regarding the revision of the taxi fares on Monday, in which the feedback and the suggestions sent by the people also will be examined. In education, while the class 10th batch and 12th batch are enjoying that they do not have their annual exam, it is very unique batch for 10th standard because according to the calculation, class 10th batch of 2021 did not face a single exam in all the 10 years of their school, and then they are going to pass out victoriously. They are the first batch that joined the class 1 in 2011. Following the no detention policy of the Right to Education Act, which came into force in Goa. Accordingly, the students were promoted up to class 8 based on their internal assessments only. Now they are clearing their class 9 and 10th also through internal marks due to this pandemic reason. So this is a first batch to complete schooling in Goa based on their internal evaluations alone. Some educationists in Goa has pointed out that this is in accordance with the new education policy that is evaluating students based on the internal marks, which is going to be the method to follow in the future. So enjoy, students. You're going to pass out the school without writing an exam which your predecessors and seniors of the past will envy, who had to write exam after exam to show their extra ability of facing the exam. This is a day of plight for the homeless and jobless migrant workers who are put to pitiable situation without homes, jobs and food as well. We could see a lot of homeless and jobless migrant laborers in a hopeless situation taking Margova Municipal Garden as the shelter and also in other locations of the city. The coronavirus pandemic has completely stopped their construction work, which has caused these laborers go jobless. And since most of them are migrants and have taken rented homes to live, it looks like the landlords of their rented accommodations have evicted the homes, fearing that migrant workers who are jobless would not be able to pay their rent. What a plight. Gods of Goa and the good-hearted people of Goa should really come forward and help these migrant people.